Today I'm going to show you how to remove the grid in Lucidchart in just a few quick steps. If the grid lines are making your diagram look cluttered, distracting, or harder to present, this is an easy setting to turn off. Whether you're building flowcharts, org charts, wireframes, or any other diagram, hiding the grid can give your workspace a much cleaner look. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your document in Lucidchart. Make sure you're inside the file where you want to remove the grid, because this setting applies to the current workspace view. Once your document is open, look for an empty area on the canvas. You do not need to select any shape or text box for this step. Instead, right-click on any blank space on your workspace. After right-clicking, a menu will appear. From that menu, choose Document Settings. This is where Lucidchart stores display and workspace options, including grid controls. Once you click Document Settings, a sidebar should appear on the right side of your screen. In that sidebar, scroll or look for the section labeled Grid and Snapping. This section controls how the workspace behaves when you move objects around, and it also includes the option to show or hide the grid. Now, inside Grid and Snapping, find the checkbox labeled Show Grid. By default, this may be enabled, which is why you see the grid lines across your canvas. To remove the grid, simply uncheck Show Grid. As soon as you do that, the grid should disappear from your document view, making your workspace look much cleaner and less busy. If you ever want the grid back later, you can follow the same steps and turn Show Grid back on. That makes it easy to switch between a clean presentation view and a more structured editing view whenever you need it. This is especially useful if you're working on detailed diagrams and want extra alignment help, or if you're preparing a final version and want the layout to look polished. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove the grid in Lucidchart. It only takes a few seconds once you know where the setting is. If this video saved you time, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.